What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kiki, owner of KIKI'S Dekor. If you don't already know, honey, if you don't know, we're an event decorating business here to show you how to have less stress and more time to impress. We also sell handcrafted products that spread light and positivity and love. Today's video actually is for that shop. It is not going to be decor today. We are going to do something really special for one of my sisters. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because this is actually something that I am putting on my next collection, or my first collection. Well, honestly, let's say next collection, because honestly my first collection was like the butterfly collection, but I don't think I I don't think I advertised it enough. At pop-ups it went well, but not online, because I was also trying to figure out what exactly I wanted to sell as well. So I think I have an idea. The wristlets is one of the products that we'll be launching. One of the colors is going to be black. I don't know if this video, when this video is up, if I will have it on my website. I'll probably put it in the description, or probably put it here so then you can see it if it is or not. But if it is, go ahead and shop on kikisdekor.com, which is the main website. So today we are going to create, because it is not currently today, which is July 24th. Since it is not on the website right now, I did a custom order through text. So she just wanted a black wristlet, fabric wristlet with the gold M as the charm. What I'm doing as well with the wristlets, I could just tell you a little bit here, is that I want to make it personalized. What I've been doing as far as like practicing is creating the wristlets and giving it out to my family and friends, but also picking a color that I know that is their favorite, that they will love, and then a charm that kind of represents them. So for example, my best friend, her favorite color is blue. So I made her a blue wristlet. And then for her charm, she loves Ariel, the mermaid. So I found this charm that has the mermaid tail, and I gave her that. And then I think something else as well. I can't remember if it was like a flower, but I know that was perfect because it was made for her. So you can customize it through the charms. I think it would be perfect, and I hope you guys love it. So again, if you are interested, it will be at my main website, kikisdekor.com. She just wanted, again, a black wristlet and an M charm, and because her M charm is gold, I think I'm going to use the gold hardware just to kind of match it a little bit. It's not gold, but it's close enough. Before we get started, if this is a video that you would like and enjoy, and you would like to see more videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos like these. I need to charge my phone. It's about to die, but I was trying to put more thread on my bobbin. And then for some reason, it went underneath where I usually put the bobbin. I'm like, what is going on? So I am hungry and I don't know. Sometimes when these things happen, it's just like, well, don't overreact. Just maybe breathe, take a break, and come back. So that's what we finna do. I'm back. Okay, so it's all sewed up. I just have to put the hardware on, and yeah, I just have to put the hardware on and the charm, the little M charm, and then we are good. We can go ahead and package up. I'm actually going to do it in the morning just because it's time to go. It's time to go. It is 9:42 right now, and it took me like 2 hours to just do this one. So I'm tired. I'm going to rest because I haven't been getting sleep lately. So I'm going to rest and then come back in the morning. I went ahead and finished the wristlet. This is the wristlet. It looks so cute, so simple, but so adorable. And I tried to take my time with it as well. Definitely enjoyed creating this one. And then also the hardware. If y'all know an easier way to put this hardware on, please let me know in the comments. This is the hardest part of the wristlet. Everything else is fine. Of course, it's tedious, but it's fine. But this hardware, I had to do it like a couple of times. I'm going to go ahead and put the logo on. I'm going to go ahead and put the logo on a little bit later, and then we can package it up and hopefully either send it tomorrow or send it, well, yeah, send it tomorrow morning probably. I'm going to go to work. As you can see, my computer is on, so I'll see you guys later.